Hi, my name is Edgar, and welcome to my YouTube channel,
Muddy off grid, eh?
Muddy off grid, eh? YouTube channel videos are for entertainment purposes only. If you engage in any of the activities shown in the Muddy off grid, eh? videos, do so at your own risk. Consult an expert before operating any tools, machinery, etc. shown in the videos.
I had a friend ask me the other day, how do you keep your chainsaw sharp out there in the bush? Well, here's how I do it. First, I find a stump or a small tree I was planning to cut down anyway. Then I cut a slat into the stump, just like this, eh? And then when the saw needs sharpening, I slide the bar into the slat. It holds the saw steady so I can sharpen it right there in the field. I do not bother marking the first tooth. I just start sharpening. Then I feel for a burr with my finger. That little curl of metal means I have hit the cutting edge. On the top cutting edge and on the side cutting edge. I also count my strokes on the first tooth, so every other tooth gets the same number. Keeps the edge even across the chain, eh? As I rotate the chain, I keep feeling for that burr to know when I have come full circle.
If you would like to buy me a coffee so I can work faster, you can hit the super thank button right below the video. Keeps the diesel flowing and the garlic growing, eh?
Then I repeat the same process on the other side, eh? Same angle, same number of strokes, and I still feeling for the burr to make sure I am hitting the edge. You know what they say, a dull chainsaw is like a canoe with one paddle. You're working twice as hard and going in circles, eh? Alright, let's see how sharp the chainsaw is. Hit the subscribe button for more off-grid farm adventures, eh?